Hey everybody, it's Mary. We're back again with Mayhem in the kitchen this week. This week we are doing shepherd's pie. This is a very easy meal to do once you come home from work or you've been at the center all day and you don't have time to make anything too elaborate. You want something that's got all your vegetables, your starches, your protein all in one. So this is what we do. You take 1 can of whole kernel corn, doesn't matter which brand. You take 1 can of English peas or whatever vegetable that you would like. Some people do not like corn or English peas or cannot eat them. So whatever vegetable you want to add is perfectly fine. What I did is went ahead and put them in a greased baking dish, mixed them together, put a little salt and pepper in there. So that's 1 can of each. Then I took 1 pound of ground hamburger meat and I diced up some onion in it, so I cooked them all together, and the onion, it was about a 1/4 of an onion. So now I'm going to push all of this yumminess inside with the corn and the peas. Alright, and that was 1 pound of ground hamburger meat, or if you want to use turkey meat, that is perfectly fine. Now, I don't sit down to cook. I just want to go ahead and tell everybody. I was sitting last week, and I think I sat a couple of weeks before that. When I cooking, I stand. But for filming purposes, that is why I'm sitting here in my dining room at home. And I hope all of you guys are doing well, safe, and once again, we just cannot wait to see you again. We had an ice cream social at Connie Hudson last week and at Parkway, and it was a pretty good turnout, and we hope you guys will look out for socials that we have on our calendar. We have a snow cone social that we're doing at various centers. Next will probably be some kind of popcorn social. Just look on your calendars and it'll tell you, so you can get out and come and see us. So I've stirred my meat in, my onions, my corn, and my peas all together. Now I'm going to put a layer of cheese. Now why this is called shepherd's pie, I should have Googled to find out, but I didn't. So if anybody can tell me in the comments how you heard that shepherd's pie got its name, I'd love to hear it. My take is that maybe this was a meal that shepherds might have eaten. I don't know. This was something that they could have eaten whenever they were taking care of animals. Do not know, but I would love to find out. So if you know, or if you've heard an old story or folklore or however shepherd's pie got its name, put it down in the comments. I would love to know. Now, we're going to take some cheese, and I don't know about you, but I love cheese, so I'm not really even measuring out. This is a 2-cup bag, and I put about 1 cup on it, maybe a little over 1 cup, but don't tell anybody. Anyway, now I'm just kind of stirring that cheese on the top. I have my sweetheart Anna, my daughter. She's filming for me again, and I thank you very much. My family has been wonderful with helping me with keeping everybody quiet, keeping the kitty out of the filming view, so they've been a great help for me. Now I'm going to take mashed potatoes. This is instant mashed potatoes. If you are, a Susie homemaker and you want to bake or boil your own potatoes and make them, that's up to you. I went the easy way, instant mashed potatoes. Just bought a box of them, follow the directions, and I made about 4 servings. So I'm scooping it out, putting it on top. I'm sorry, I'm looking at cars driving by. I'm one of those people that get easily distracted. It's like whenever people get distracted if a squirrel comes by. Squirrel! And you start looking all over the place. That's pretty much how I am. So, now, I'm just adding the layers. top. And it's almost like I'm frosting a cake. I'm just putting it on top, spreading it out. And you don't want to pack it. You just want to just smooth it out very lightly. And that's it, folks. That is your dish, shepherd's pie, supper, all in one dish. Now you're going to put it in the oven for 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. And that's it. That's all you do to it. You're saying, it can't be that hard. It is not hard at all. If I can do it, you can do it. All right, folks, we will see you next week with more Mayhem in the Kitchen with Mary. Bye.